Hi everyone, welcome to the IBO Toolbox training webinar. I'm Chris Karafotis. I'm going to be your host for the webinar. For those of you that are new to IBO, I want to welcome you to our community. Whether you're just getting started with IBO or you're a veteran member, training is critical to your success. Over the next 30 to 45 minutes, I'm going to be going over information on how to utilize all these amazing tools and resources that you have at your fingertips. And I know this platform might seem a little overwhelming at first, but I promise you that if you just continue to attend these webinars and take in a little bit of this at a time, you will succeed here at IBO Toolbox and your chosen business. So, if this is the first time that you're attending an IBO Toolbox training webinar, what I'm going to cover is an introduction to IBO Toolbox. We're going to go over the basics. I'm going to show you how to get started with IBO, show you how to get helper assistance. I'm also going to show you where you can go to get extended training on the official IBO Toolbox training platform. And at the end of the webinar, we're going to wrap it up and issue you a credit coupon code worth 400 IBO credits that you can use to redeem for advertising on the platform. And let's face it, that's why we're all here, right? We want to get that extra exposure for our business. And you know what? You guys are in the right place at the right time because there is no better marketing platform than IBO Toolbox. So let's get the show on the road. All right, so if this is the first time that you're attending an IBO Toolbox training webinar, it's actually a question and answer format. So go ahead and start entering in your questions into the chat area. Make sure that you do it now before, don't wait until the end of the webinar, because if you do, then you're going to risk the opportunity to ask questions, because as we get towards the end, we run out of time and then your question can't get answered. So go ahead and start entering in your questions into the chat area. Okay, so what is IBO Toolbox? IBO Toolbox is a free state-of-the-art marketing platform. It was specifically developed to give internet marketers the ability to promote their products and services on the internet. By using this powerful suite of tools properly, you're going to see short-term and long-term results from your efforts. Now, IBO Toolbox is a constantly growing business building platform, and it protects its members in a safe haven environment for them to operate from. Now, you'd think that a platform of this magnitude would have a monthly cost associated with it, but guess what? IBO Toolbox is completely free. There are no levels, packages, enrollment fees, or anything like that. IBO Toolbox is a 100% free platform that's not going to tell you to upgrade after you join, and all members of IBO have the same exact features and tools regardless of their financial situation. So what does IBO Toolbox do? Well, first of all, it works. You know, there's so many systems and tools out there on the internet that really don't work. They're really more about the hype with no return for using them. So whether you're a part-time or full-time internet marketer, you're going to quickly discover that IBO Toolbox doesn't hype it up, but rather it over-delivers on every aspect. At IBO, you're going to find the most targeted audience. IBO Toolbox averages over 350,000 visitors each day, and they're looking for opportunities just like you to make some extra money. They're finding your products and services through the search engines based on the content that you've put into IBO. Your press releases that you've written, your wall posts, your comments, they all get indexed. But it's really important to know who you're marketing to. 96% of this daily traffic is non-member traffic. This is the best kind of traffic, you guys, that we can each get. What it's called is true search organic traffic, meaning that you've written a press release and someone's went to Google and they've entered in search terms which equal what you've written about in your press releases. That's how they're finding you. So it's a really, really, really cool thing. So the more you participate here at IBO, like writing your press releases, posting on the wall, commenting, the more you're going to get in front of your target market. So 96% of the daily traffic is non-member traffic. 4% is member traffic. So it's really important to know who you're marketing to. So keep that in mind when you're posting and you're writing your press releases. You know, we're all involved in a business here at IBO, and some of us come to IBO to look for that perfect business or that business opportunity. They might be interested in a certain business or a certain opportunity. So it's really important to know or realize that so that you are tailoring your press releases and your wall posts and comments around that. Okay, so if you've just joined us, make sure to enter in your questions into the chat area so that I can answer them for you. All right, so IBO Toolbox is a community of like-minded internet marketers just like yourself, and it was specifically developed for the internet marketer. So every feature, tool, widget, and app was developed to help you market your business. And the cool thing about IBO is that it allows you to build a business relationship with your visitors and the other members first, getting them to know, like, and trust you. That is key to your success. You guys, we're in the business of relationship marketing, so IBO Toolbox has created the perfect environment for us to get that done, build those relationships. And when you offer value first, that's always going to open the door for opportunity, and then business will flow naturally. So I want to take a look and see what kinds of questions we have and start answering some of those. And if you don't have sound, this is probably an earlier post, just go back out and come back in. All right, so please limit your questions to have to do with anything about IBO Toolbox and its family of websites. Couple of things that before I start answering the questions, I want to direct you where you can get help, and also the official training platform for IBO Toolbox. So IBO Toolbox has a help desk where you can submit tickets having to do with technical things or issues such as, you know, maybe something with purchasing credits or Club IBO or something like that. You can go ahead and go to the help desk by clicking on IBO Help Desk under Site Navigation. And you can submit a ticket there. Now, I'm usually the one that answers the tickets. And one thing that I want you all to know, I'm not an employee of IBO. I love this platform. I've been here for over 5 years. I love what it does for my business, and that's why I do the training webinars. So I'm a member just like you. I'm not a paid employee of IBO. Again, I just really like what this platform does for my business, and I'm really passionate about training. I've been in this industry for 16 years, and I know what it's like to be brand new on the internet, trying to figure things out, where to promote, what to do, and all of that. So that being said, in addition to these webinars, I also host the official training platform for IBO Toolbox, which is called marketwithchris.com. So if you click on Get Training just above IBO Help Desk at the site navigation, that is going to take you to marketwithchris.com. So, you know, you can look around the site, watch the welcome video, learn a little bit more about me, about the site, see some testimonials. But the real reason that we're doing this is because IBO Toolbox, along with myself, is very passionate about making sure that you're trained. So IBO could have hundreds of thousands of members with members not knowing how to use the platform. So that's why we have this training platform. So within marketwithchris.com, you've got a whole section devoted to IBO Toolbox training. So, for instance, you've got the overview, you've got setting up your profile and all those different aspects, like how to add your businesses, videos, monetizing your profile, what a completed profile looks like, a little bit about Club IBO, how to add your social networks, customizing your IBO social profile. We've got the basics, account setting, IBO Toolbox is on track, even posting a wall post or commenting on a wall post, how to associate with the other members so that you can network with them, build trust. Your leads, you can use the platform to generate leads. Also, this IBO search feature, commenting on a press release, and how to send and receive or reply to messages through IBO Toolbox. We also have the Credit Center, everything that you want to know about the Credit Center, because at IBO Toolbox, ads run from credits converted to impressions. Okay, so you need to know how these credits work, how you can redeem the credit coupon codes, such as the one that I'm going to give you at the end of this webinar, how to earn free credits, how to convert credits, and how to purchase credits. These are all really important aspects of in moving your business forward and being successful in your business. We've got advertising. IBO Toolbox allows you to post listing ads and also banner advertising. So you need to know how to set those up and get those running on IBO and its family of websites. We also have promotional links and graphics. You want to make sure that you share IBO Toolbox with your fellow marketers. By doing that, once they complete their profile, they're going to earn advertising credits that they can use to redeem for advertising their business. You also are going to earn credits when their profile is completed that you can use to advertise your business. So it's a win-win situation. We've got IBO Toolbox apps where you can create your press releases, create the IBO URL and .NET aliases, how to use the IBO mobile app, the SMS lookup tool, and there is a third-party autoresponder, which is called the Response Magic Autoresponder app that you can set up to work in conjunction with IBO Toolbox. We've got the other family of websites such as IBO Extra, the banner exchange site, IBO banner system that allows you to build your own banners. It also gives you access to thousands of banners that you can use as templates that you can add your team name or your website on. There's the banner creator, and you can also host all of your other banners or your graphic images at IBO Banners. We've got IBO Exchange, which is similar to a traffic exchange, but it works a little bit differently, where you can get likes for your Facebook fan pages, where you can get visits to pictures like images and so forth, like what do I want to say, Pinterest and the other social medias. So there's all kinds of things that you can do to become very, very popular using IBO Exchange. We've got IBO Gigs, where you can go and find someone that will do a service for you, similar to the popular Fiverr website. We have our own in-house website like that, and it's called IBO Gigs. We also have IBO Lists, where you can set up listing ads over there and advertise your business. We've got IBO Tube, which is similar to YouTube, but it's built for marketers, so you don't get in trouble for advertising your business over there through videos. So we've got almost, well, in my book, we've got everything here at IBO for marketers. So this platform was truly developed with marketers in mind. So come over here to Market with Chris, get your training. For each video lesson that you watch, you're going to earn IBO credits that you can use to redeem for advertising. Currently there are 42 lessons, plus there's also rebrandable traffic lessons. So you have the opportunity of earning 2,350 credits for all the videos that you watch. So you redeem them for advertising over at IBO Toolbox and its family of websites. So how sweet of a deal is that? So take advantage of this. I also have other courses at Market with Chris. Some are free, some you need to pay for them. They're very inexpensive, and yes, it is free to register at Market with Chris. Your membership is free. over here. And so for those of you that want to get some extra ideas of how to market your business, I've got courses for everything you could imagine, all the social media, how to use each platform to your advantage. Okay, so let me see what kinds of questions we have, and let's get that going. Okay, so the first question is, where should I advertise to get IBO Toolbox referrals? Okay, so what I'd like for you to do is look at the courses over at Market with Chris, but I'll give you some ideas right now. You can advertise IBO Toolbox on traffic exchanges. If you click on referral links under site navigation, you are going to get a whole variety of banners and all kinds of things. All right, so you've got your text invite links, you've got splash page links, all kinds of things that you can put out. Banner graphics, things that you can put on websites, banner exchanges, those sorts of things, and they're all here that you can use. All right, so where exactly should you advertise? Again, traffic exchanges, anywhere where you can advertise businesses, okay? Let's see, Safe Lists, what else? There's other platforms out there that you can use too as well. So anywhere that you would advertise any of your network marketing businesses, you can advertise. You can use Facebook. Obviously, there's ways to do that. So that should give you enough. I've also done a press release that you can look at with a couple of text ads in it, okay, that I've used that I've gotten really great results. So again, take those ideas, use the promotional materials that we have here, and again, if you want to step it up a little bit and you want to get some extra ideas, come over to Market with Chris and check out some of the courses that I have over there as well. Okay, so for those of you that are new to IBO, there's a request in here to walk you through how to get your profile set up. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first thing you're going to do is click on Edit Profile. Okay, you want to get your profile set up because it's your public storefront. It's where visitors are going to go to find out more about you, and also the members, your fellow IBO Toolbox members, are also going to go there to find out more about you as well. So you click on Edit Profile. Step 1 through 3 is basic information and it's required. But I really encourage you to complete all 9 steps of your profile. So step 1 is your basic information, your name, your geographic location, your phone and Skype ID if that's how you want to be contacted. Your email is always kept private. IBO Toolbox needed that so that they could activate your account with IBO, and also too, your referral, the person that referred you to IBO gets that information as well. Then we've got some other IBO family of websites like Rebrandable Traffic. You need to enter in your username, IBO extra user ID number, IBO Tube channel URL, IBO Gig Store URL, and IBO Answers username. Okay, and you can also sign up for each one of those platforms or register. Your IBO Toolbox logins will not work, so you just click on the links here. Step 2 is uploading your profile image. You want to make sure to use a real picture, not a logo or a profile or a product image. Really important. You want to start branding yourself on the internet with you, brand you on the internet. So you want to make sure to use a picture of yourself. Then when other people go to, Twitter and Facebook or, those other social networks, they're going to recognize your picture because they've seen you on IBO Toolbox. So it's a great way to start branding yourself on the internet. Just click on Change Profile Image, select one from your computer, and upload it. Step 3 is business information. This is where you're going to add your businesses. So I've got mine for BizOp banners, so I put in my business name, my title, and links to my business opportunity and product link. Now, I'm not really promoting a business opportunity, so I just put in the main link to BizOp banners, and the product link, I went and created an IBO URL.net alias, and I named it IBO Starter Pack, which is my flagship product. And then just do a short business description or write-up in the box and click on Save. At any time you can edit by clicking on the notepad icon or delete by clicking on the red X. Now if you want to stop at step 3, it's okay. Just make sure that you physically click on Dashboard so that you get your advertising credits. If you close out the tab or log off, you will not get your IBO credits until you log back on. So it's really important that you do that. So moving on to step 4. Step 4 is adding a contributor badge. This is by purchasing credits or becoming part of Club IBO. Now this is an optional step, but think about it for a minute. There's a couple of reasons, actually there's a lot of reasons why you want to become a contributor. First of all, by becoming a contributor, you're purchasing extra credits, which extends your advertising reach. This is really for people that are serious about their business. They want to get as much exposure as possible. Okay, so they purchase credits. It also makes you stand out in a crowd. As IBO Toolbox gets larger and larger, it's important to find ways to stand out, and having that contributor badge next to your name and on your profile and identifying your wall posts as an IBO contributor will definitely make you stand out in a crowd. Leadership, double credits for certain activities, it's all included in the contributor badge. Okay, so you click here to add the contributor badge. Again, you can also either purchase credits or become part of Club IBO. IBO Social Customization, step 5, where you can customize your IBO social front page. We've got the design editor here with all these different things that you can do, add links, images, videos, all kinds of things. And then we've got the HTML editor, which is what I like to use. You can do a lot more with it, but either way, it's all very, very simple to use if you want to go with the design editor. If you don't know HTML, then click on Save when you get done. Step 6 is business links, backlinks. These are going to show up on your profile and also get picked up on the search engines. So you want to create a link simply by giving it a name and then adding the link URL. For instance, I have one for Market with Chris. So my link name is Learn Marketing, and then the URL is obviously marketwithchris.com. Okay. Step 7 is social networks. This is where you add your other social networks. They also show up on your profile, and other members and prospects can follow you on your other networks. So you select the one you want to add from the drop-down menu. You can add all of these if you want, but just make sure that you enter in the appropriate link in the box and click on Save. Step 8 is where you're going to upload videos to your profile. You're going to simply give your video a title, add the YouTube URL, the More Info link, which is the target website where you want your visitors to go to after they watch your video, and give it a few video keywords and click on Save. At any time, again, you can edit or delete. And then we've got step 9, which is monetizing your IBO social profile with Google AdSense. Now, you could do Google AdSense or you could do LeadsLeap or something like that. Because I know it's hard to get approved for Google AdSense. You have to have your own website, first of all, to get approved, and you have to have a lot of traffic going to that website. So, you know, there are some other alternatives. But either way, you have to create an ad sized 160 by 600. Okay, so the instructions are up here. You're going to copy the script, paste it in the box here, comply with the terms and conditions by checking the boxes, and click on Save. So now you've completed your profile. So again, you want to return to the dashboard so that you, for the first time, so that you get your advertising credits. So once you do that, let's go to the profile and see how it looks. So you can either click here to get to your profile, or you can click on your name. So we'll go ahead and click here. Okay, and I thought I did. There we go. All right, so we've got our picture, our name, our stars and badges are visible. We've got our performance stats like our country, how many likes we've received, how many times we've been featured member of the day, how many associates we have, how many wall posts, how many comments made, press releases, videos, and if you want your phone and Skype ID visible, it would go in this area here. Profile and visitor stats, daily, monthly, and total. The IBO Associator widget is automatically displayed. It's not one of the steps to complete your profile. You've got your 10 most recent press releases that show up in this area here. You've got your business links, which is step 6. These are the backlinks. This is where they show up. Your recent videos, the 10 most recent ones show up here. Member advertising, this would be your AdSense or Lead Sleep or something similar. It's a 160 by 600 sized ad here. And then active associates are your associates who have recently logged on and are active on the dashboard. Other platforms, this is under step 1. If you add your username or ID number under step 1, under the different platforms, you get widgets for each one that are clickable to your page. Okay, so as we scroll back up, we have our other social network buttons, which is step 7 of Edit Your Profile. We've got our Facebook comments. We've got our customization area here. Again, you can do graphics, video. I actually have an order form for my IBO starter pack here. So you can really almost do anything with this page. We've got a menu bar here. Home is where we're at. Now our social wall, each member has their own social wall, which will have posts with their posts on it and comments to the posts that you've made. And we've got my businesses area, which is step 3 of Edit Your Profile. This is how it looks on your IBO social profile page. Nice professional listing of your businesses. Press releases. All your press releases are pushed out to your profile and they're listed here under press releases. Video, the same thing. And it's also, you can search through the titles on the press releases and videos. Learn more. Every member has this page as well. Anyone that fills out their information here on your profile becomes a lead for you, which is housed under the My Leads area under Site Navigation. And then last but not least, every member has their own branded search engine. It's powered by Google, and so you can give out your link, or when your visitors are here, they can enter in anything into this and it's going to render your results. So I just put in press releases, I click on search, and we've got the Google related ads, but then it's all the press releases that I've written with a link, clickable link to get to that press release. Okay, so this is very, very cool. And remember, this page is free. You just have to put in your information, keep it updated, and participate on the platform, and you've got one of these pages. And as you can see, it looks really, really professional. So that is very, very cool. And again, the more you participate, the more you're going to be seen in front of your target market, okay? Because people are coming to IBO Toolbox looking for business opportunities, getting your, putting in keywords that equal what you've written about in your press releases, in your posts, in your comments. That's how they're finding you. So this is a really, really great platform Just participate, learn how the tools work, take the courses over at Market with Chris, come to the webinars, and you will be good to go. All right, so we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. Thank you guys for using IBO Toolbox to grow your business. The power works. The community works as a collective. The power in this system works by having us all contribute here to the platform by putting in content, indexable content. It all gets picked up by the search engines or indexed out there, which brings traffic back for all of us. So it's a community effort. So let's go over to the Credit Center and let me issue you the credit coupon code. So we're going to go back to IBO Toolbox. We're going to click on Credit Center. And we're going to click on Redeem Coupon. And this is really important. Now, this is actually lesson 23 at Market with Chris. So really, really important that you listen or learn how to do this, okay? Because we want to make sure that you get your coupon code redeemed, okay? There's also 2 coupon codes that are put out daily. They're located in the Credit Center, or you will maybe get an email from IBO Toolbox, and they're worth 50 credits each. One's in the morning and one's in the evening at 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But they're listed again in the Credit Center as well. So in order to unlock the redemption tool and redeem your credits, please click and visit ads located on at least one of the following links. Now, if I just say, well, I've clicked on ads throughout the course of the day or whatever, so I don't need to do that. But if you don't physically click on one of these links to visit ads, what's going to happen is you're not going to be able to check this box and you won't be able to redeem your coupon. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one. And I'm going to wait for it to load up. And I'm going to go ahead, I need to minimize that, and click on this. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to this, and now it's going to let me check that box. Okay, so again, even if I close this out and I go, well, I just clicked on, let's see, let me wait for something to, I just clicked on this ad here, right? Okay, you guys saw me. Now let's go back here. All right, let's go back to this, and I go back to the Credit Center, redeem coupon, and the box comes up. It will not let me check this box. So you have to click on one of the links or a couple of links within this box here, and then visit an ad here. So I just clicked on the newsletter link, clicked on this, and then when we go back here, it lets me check that box, okay? All right, I think you get the gist of it. Okay, so the credit coupon code is March, wait, I want to do it all in caps here. March Madness. Whoops, did I spell right? Okay, March Madness. Okay, and then click on Redeem Coupon. It should say accepted 400 credits were added, which it does. Please redeem this credit coupon code right away. Do not wait, it's time sensitive. Okay, you guys, thank you for coming to the webinar. I appreciate each and every one of you taking time out of your busy schedule to learn how this platform works. You guys have a great Wednesday. Go IBO.